Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Respectful judges, committees, and all fellow participants of Sriwijaya International Conference on Engineering and Technology 2021. My name is Mentari Septanya Sitorus, and I am speaking as the delegate of Department of Civil Engineering Diponegoro University. Before beginning my presentation, I would like to thank to all of the audience here, especially for the committees for giving me the opportunity to present our paper in this moment. The title of our paper is The Effect of Steel Fiber Content on the Compressive Strength of Steel Fiber Reinforced Concrete. Point of presentation in this moment consists of introduction, experimental test program, result and discussion, and the last conclusion. The first point, introduction. Concrete is the most common building material in building construction. The basic composition of concrete includes cement, water, and aggregate. As we know, concrete has low tensile strength and its characteristic is often neglected in design. The low tensile strength shown in concrete causes the material to crack easily when subject to tension. But some of various methods have been carried out how to overcome the weakness of concrete in tension. One of them, use of fibers in concrete. Steel fiber reinforced concrete is a type of fiber reinforced concrete that use steel fiber in its mixture to strengthen the concrete. A good composition of fibers in concrete can produce a composite material with an ability to reduce the crack width and increase the flexural strength of concrete. However, the fiber type and content used in the mixture affect the workability of concrete. Some investigations have found that the compressive strength of concrete increases with the fiber content used. The use of fibers with different length can significantly improve the mechanical properties of concrete by increasing the compressive strength about of 10 up to 32%. The second point, experimental test program. The effect of fiber content on the compressive strength of concrete is investigated in the laboratory of civil engineering Diponegoro University. Concrete specimen with 8 different fiber contents ranging from 0% up to 1.5%. The concrete is composed of type Portland cement, sands from Muntilan, coarse aggregate from Batang, and steel fiber of Dramix 4D with aspect ratio 67.7. Figure 1 shows the shape of steel fiber used, namely end-hook steel fiber. Table 1 shows the property of steel fibers include material property and geometry. The concrete material are analyzed to determine the characteristic as the basis for determining the mixture ratio, and the material tests include sieve analysis, bulk density, SSD density, and others. The concrete specimen for compressive strength tests are cylindrical with a size of 15 times 30 centimeters. The testing methods refers to SNE 19 and 74, 20 and 11. The test setup is as shown in figure 2. This test measures the load on each specimen using a load cell and connected to data logger. The third point, result and discussion. The compressive tests were carried out until the specimen failed. We can see figure 3 about specimen before testing, and the second one, specimen after testing. The average compressive strength from its fiber content is calculated and plotted in figure 4. It can be seen from figure 4 that the addition of steel fibers increase the compressive strength of concrete. The effect of the fiber content is significantly visible when the fiber increase begins from 0% up to 0.1%. The increase in compressive strength continues with the increase of fiber content. However, the increase of strength is relatively small for specimens with fiber contents of 0.1% up to 1%. The effect of fiber content on the compressive strength is modeled in a linear equation. We can see figure 5 about linear model of the compressive strength of SFRC. And the equation is present in equation 1. From equation 1, we can see FCF. FCF is the compressive strength of SFRC. VF is the fiber content, and L per D is aspect ratio. The last point, conclusion. This study show that the addition of steel fibers can increase the compressive strength of concrete. The increase in compressive strength is comparable to the fiber content. However, the increase of compressive strength is only about 21% when the fiber content increased from 0.1% up to 1%. Considering that the addition of more fibers will cause difficulties when mixing, the application of concrete with more fiber content is suggested only for structure with low slump requirement. A linear model has been developed for estimating the influence of fiber content and fiber aspect ratio on the compressive strength of SFRC. That's all about our presentation. I hope this presentation can useful for us, and for your good attention, I say thank you very much.